Good Saturday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Martich. This is your outlook for the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, August 30th and 31st, 2014. And to round out the month, the temperatures are going to be on the rise. And after a cooler than average month, or at least slightly cooler than average month, as it turns out, as far as departures are concerned, temperatures are going to actually start turning toward more typical summertime temperatures as we get into the calendar turns to September. So a couple days in the first 5-6 days or so in September look like they're going to be pretty warm as well. So it's going to be I don't want to say a heat wave, because we're not exactly talking about 90-degree temperatures everywhere and for a sustained period of time, but you could have temperatures approaching that. We'll have temperatures 85 to 92 in that range for much of the upcoming week here, with no day where the temperature goes below 85 for high temperatures for many areas. So we are going to have high pressure moving offshore here, and that is what was sitting over top of us on Friday. It's not going to be offshore. The return flow around this high pressure is going to allow a frontal boundary, which is actually the cold front that came through the other day. It's going to allow that it was stalled to our south here. It's going to allow this to move back to the north here, and it's going to come through as a warm front that's what we're expecting to come through overnight Saturday night. So you will have mostly cloudy conditions overnight Saturday night while the front comes through, but dry, and not expecting any precipitation whatsoever with it. And then that will push through, and then that'll turn the winds to the southwest, and Sunday it is going to warm up quite nicely. The mid and the upper 80s to near 90 in many locations. So very hot day coming up here on Sunday, and again Monday, Tuesday, pretty much all next week. The humidity is going to be increasing as well. You're going to have the humidity at least through Tuesday night, and maybe into early Wednesday until the cold front finally moves through. And even then, the temperatures are still going to stay on the hot side. Just going to be dealing with lower humidity toward the end of the week. So go a little bit further in time here, and we're going to go through this here. This is going to Sunday. When you do have a warm front coming through, we're going to be increasing dew points and humidity. That's going to allow for the opportunity for showers and thunderstorms to come back in the picture too. So that's what we have here: scattered showers and thunderstorms. Sunday late afternoon, evening. I would say Sunday 3 o'clock onward would be a good time frame right now. Here's a look at 2 on the NAM high-res future simulator radar. It does have some showers and thunderstorms starting to form back here at this point. And next frame, it congeals into a line. This is certainly possible here with this line congealing here, because we do have shear that is moderately favorable. So there's some shear involved with this. So you could actually have a congealed line forming here, but we're not talking about gusty straight line winds like or severe weather. The lapse rates aren't very good, at least not right now. So this line of storms will press off to the southeast and probably die out as it does so, because we're losing daylight. Losing some daylight at that point. Okay, we're going to go to, I don't know what I just did there. Go back to the global models here, and we're going to go a little bit further than this, and we just go up to Monday here, and you get just some isolated showers and thunderstorms here on Labor Day Monday. So we do have an isolated chance for a shower or thunderstorm as well. That trigger that was there the day before was a prefrontal trough that is no longer going to be in place. It's going to be a little bit further to the east here, so you still could get some heat of the day type thunderstorms. But again, very isolated and hit or miss. And then again, Tuesday, here's the cold front. This is just looking at Tuesday evening. Cold front sitting back here like this. It might be too far to the west here to allow any showers and thunderstorms to get too far into our area, maybe across the northern sections here. Again, the models are not agreeing on the timing of this system. If it comes in any faster, you could be dealing with actually some stronger storms if it got in here earlier. But right now, we're also trying to hang this back and bring it through after dusk, which would limit any stronger storm potential, and it would bring this front through with the showers and thunderstorms overnight Wednesday or Tuesday night, and the front would actually go through early Wednesday morning. So we're not looking at anything severe at the moment. And then once this front moves through, we have high pressure moving behind it. Winds are going to shift to the northwest, which is going to lower the humidity, but the temperatures are going to stay pretty warm in the mid to upper 80s to near 90 in some places again. That's because you still have this big ridge here in the east here, despite the northwest winds. The only thing that's going to do is just lower the humidity. So as you get into Wednesday, Thursday, maybe Friday, the humidity will be a little bit lower, You're still going to have temperatures that are going to be pretty high, for this time of year. Again, normal up here is in the mid to upper 70s across the Poconos to Scranton to Williamsport, places like that. It is dead set on 80 degrees here, right in the central areas like Allentown and the Lehigh Valley. They're about 80 degrees. Get down to Philadelphia, normal is about 83. So if you have temperatures that are running about 88 in Allentown or about 90 in Philly, that's still about 5 to 7 degrees above normal. So or 5 to 8 degrees above normal, I should say. So it's still gonna be running like that. We think until at least Friday of next week, and it might actually go into the first part of the weekend if some models are correct. But it does look like it's going to be a prolonged stretch of the warmer weather that we'll have to deal with until this moves out of here. Probably next weekend. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchers. That is your outlook for the weekend, August 30th and 31st, 2014. Have a great Saturday.